So I will take offset similar 2.5 meter up to the end of here edge of asphalt, where it will connect to the edge of asphalt, and after that the acceleration lane, and then the transition lane where it will go to its original position again. So now I will match the property with the which is the edge of asphalt is blue, so I will take offset as a blue like this one. Now the as per typical section, this side is 2.5 meter and then the lane is 5 meter. Already we have seen here this the outer shoulder 2.5 meter, then this 5 meter the lane, so and then 1.5 meter inner shoulder. So I will take 5 meter offset from here, offset 5 meter from this side, which will be yellow line. So this offset 5 meter, and I will keep continuing taking offset 5 meter from the all alignment center line here to here. It will end here. We will close it here. It will not extend to the here. So again I will match these properties in the yellow line to. So here I will understand where it should be closed. Yellow line with the yellow line, and blue line with the blue line here. So now at the end 1.5 meter offset 1.5 meter, which will be blue. So blue line outer, the inner edge of asphalt is 1.5 meter. So I will take continuing like offset 1.5 meter to the end of the here to the existing road, and then I will match the property. So exactly I will know where is the blue line. It almost completed the ramp and the loop. So I will close it here. The same process here. Yellow line with the yellow line. I will select these two, and from here I will trim the roundabout from this area, and these two should be closed from here. Okay, now the blue line, same like here, I will create a circle with which is TTR from this point to this point with the radius of 1 meter. So it will be like this. It will close from here, and then I will select this line and trim. I will select this line and trim the other line from outer edge. Okay. Or you can directly fill it with the radius 1 meter, these two, this line and this line. The same process. I can delete this one. Okay. And then match the property. Sometimes if it doesn't fill it, so you can put circle, right? I use both the methods, so exactly you will understand. Now the shape, as you can see, maybe I will take 2.5 meter from here. From this part also. So okay. So my alignment, the alignment of the ramp will be starting from here, as we saw here in this the original drawing. It will take time to generate. Okay, from here as you can see, the starting of alignment from this point, and the loop will start from the downside, from this side, so I will take the, I will copy this from here, this one. I will put this roundabout, this like this curved stone, which point in where I will put the curved stone, and New Jersey. I will copy all this from here, so it will easy for me. There is also a box culvert, but we will not discuss this time, because this is another topic, so we will discuss it later. Okay, now I will copy this from here, and I will paste it, and maybe it will be little bit different with respect to coordinate, but we can adjust this one. As you can see, I will move this all little bit. And also this double pace New Jersey in the center here, this area, the radius this radius and this radius per par for this line. Okay, this the ramp A and this the loop A, so little bit I will adjust like here. Also this part, like this you can adjust. So now, as you see, it's looking good. The shape, the roundabout here, we will put the, in this area we will put the curved stone also inside the roundabout in this area, the typical section. I will not make this one. I will in this video I will make, after completing this video I will make, so it will not take time. The same process as we take in this side, the same process will be take for the other side also. Only here these two lines I will put a circle here, for this and this one like this, and you can trim this line. You can select this line from here, and you can trim this line from this side, and then so it will be like this here in this portion. Also this line, the existing edge of asphalt will be close up to here, so you can create a break line here in this line part to here, we don't need this existing asphalt in this area. So now, as you can see, it's clear. It must be here, like from this portion I will trim this line. It will not exceed it to this one here. It will close up to here, and then the similar clone we have made here. I will use this line. The same process we will repeat here in this portion. So it will meet like we don't need this line also in this portion, because the vehicle will come here and join this one. So